Hello everybody, a warm welcome to my channel Vatsalyam. Firstly, a big thank you to all those who liked the videos, who subscribed the channel and commented. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for all your time and effort. Today's video is going to be about freedom. Your mind, your body and your spirit. What does it need to get free from? So the video is going to be around this. You will see 3 groups and you can choose one of them that attracts you the most, and I will meet you at your reading. The timestamps are mentioned in the description box. So these are the 3 options. See which option you are most drawn to and that will be your group. Also one thing that this reading is going to be a timeless reading. Timeless reading means that whenever you are stuck, whenever you are seeking for a guidance, you can always come back to this reading and you will definitely get some message, some guidance, some clarity. So I will meet you in your reading. The timestamps are mentioned in the description box. Welcome group 1 to your reading. So whoever has chosen the magnet with the words best wishes, this reading is for you. So I feel the reading is going to be about love, emotions, relationships, about your own strengths. Some of you need wishes to move ahead in life, to bring changes in your life. So let us see, what does your mind want from you right now? Let's see, what is your mind occupied in? Currently, what is it focusing on? Your mind is focusing on perseverance. I can feel that many of you are undergoing lot of stress, lot of anxiety, lot of disturbing thoughts coming back to you again and again. You're emotionally hurt, you're emotionally drained. Your mind is constantly overburdened. It is constantly reminding you of the past that has shown you a time where you felt, a little challenged, you felt a little disrespectful, a little unwanted, maybe underconfident. But in the entire process, you have been doing your very best to keep up all the relations that are there in your life, to maintain good relations with others, to do your very best in every field that you can. You have been consistently doing it, but now your mind is asking you to quit. It's telling you to just run away from the situation. But at the same time, your mind is also reminding you that there is justice coming your way. The justice will come to you. You only have to free yourself from those memories that hurt you whenever you remember them. Look for opportunities coming your way. Look for those little changes that you can make in your daily routine. Each and every step that you take towards your transformation will help you to grow as an individual in your life. Your mind is motivating you. You yourself can do justice to it. You just have to keep trying and not to give up. Let's see what your body needs right now. So the card is expansion. Your body wants you to expand your circle. The circle that you've drawn around you and you don't want to cross that circle. It wants you to come out of it. It wants you to interact with people. It wants you to invite positive energies into your life. It wants you to communicate whichever way you can, be it playing, be it doing exercise, be it doing laughter therapy, be it taking long walks. But it wants you to come out of your comfort zone that you've created over the time, and it wants you to now expand yourself. Your body wants those positive vibrations, positive energy, so it can heal you as well. It wants a circulation of energy. Your body is demanding a circulation, a movement in your energies. It wants you to move ahead in life as a winner with so many people around you, where you feel happy that yes, these are the people whom I have whom I have invited, whom I have welcomed in my life. Your body needs that diversion. It needs that direction now. It wants you to look at situations from a different angle, but to release all the toxicity that is within you. So let's see what your spirit has to say. Your spirit wants you to embrace the moment, embrace life, embrace each day. Every little step that you will take towards your own change is going to be of great importance. Even if it's a baby step, every step in life counts. What is happening is changing your energies. Think positively today for a better tomorrow. Release all the negative energy from within. Don't be harsh in judging yourself, and don't judge others as well. Try and change your energies now. This will help you. Thank God for each day that you breathe, each day that you eat. Your spirit wants that. It wants you to enjoy every moment of the day, every moment of your life. So listen to the spirit and do as it tells you. It will help you. Ascendant Masters have a special message, a special guidance for you. It says, drink more water. So what does water do to us? Water helps us to flush harsh energies and toxics. It helps us to, create emotional balance within us. You can bless your water before drinking. It will give you a positive boost of energy. You can take a glass of water, smile at water, think of a positive thought today, and tell the water, this is what I want to bring a change within me today. And smile again, and you can drink that water. It will help you. Little positive steps will bring positivity in your life. You can go for walks around near a water body. You can sit there, you can meditate there, you can just feel the sound of the waves, feel the fresh air out there. Also, sweating out will help you. If you sweat out through exercises or steam bath, that will also help you to release those toxic, those negative energies from your body. Your mind, body, spirit, they all need a positive boost of energy. They need a positive thought. They need a positive motivation. They need positive energies around themselves. Listen to them and do what they want you to do. Let's see what angels are telling you to do. Angels are asking you, choose a new direction. You've been walking on a path and you have seen that how the path is not helping you to grow as an individual. Angels are asking you, we all have choices in life. Choose another direction. Maybe that direction will help you to grow as an individual, to transform as a person. So, with this positive note, I end my reading here. Thank you so much. Hello everybody. So all those who chose this white magnet with golden hearts, this is the reading for you, group 2. This group has a lot of spiritual energy in it. There is a lot of calmness, purity, abundance in this group, in this reading that I'm seeing right now. The cards are giving me this kind of vibes right now, this kind of energy right now. Calmness, peace is there. So let's see what your mind is looking at. Your mind currently is looking at enlightenment. Your mind is seeking enlightenment. It is in search of wisdom. It wants you to identify your fears in order to find that peace within you, connecting to your instincts, the truth that is within you. It wants you to keep a check on your emotions. It wants a reconnection. Your mind wants to pave a path for itself where there is abundance of peace, happiness, clarity, spirituality, growth. It is waiting to have a mentor in life who can guide you on the right path. It wants you to free yourself from any thought that disturbs you, that brings a negative energy within you, any thought that makes you feel stuck at that moment, that makes you feel stuck in life. It wants you to free all those things. It wants you to move ahead in life and shine like a sun. It wants you to change your perceptions, your thought process, your lifestyle. Your mind is diverting you towards this change. Let's see what your body needs and what it wants from you right now. Your body needs a change. Your body too wants a change in the pattern that you have been following. It wants you to come out of all those illusions to adapt a natural way of living. It wants you to change that comfort zone of yours. It's asking you that something that you've been doing for long, please observe something that you've missed in that journey of yours, a pattern that your body is following, that you have been following. There is something that you haven't noticed until now. So observe that pattern and please change it. Your body wants that it should be surrounded with natural things, something that connects your body to the nature. It wants you to bring a change in your routine, in your eating style, in your way of exercise, and how much time you're giving rest to your body. Start fresh. Take one step at a time for a better health. You definitely need a change in the pattern that you're following towards a more healthier and an organic way of living. Let's see what your spirit has in store for you, what it wants from you. Your spirit says soul power. It is telling you that you are a powerful being. You have the capacity to balance your feminine and masculine energies. You are the only person who can influence your own self. Nobody else can influence you. It is you who can create that power within you to direct your life the way you want to, the way you are and who you are. Your body, mind and spirit, they want a balance, they want an alignment right now. They are seeking for it. They are seeking for that direction. They are seeking for that wisdom, how to bring into it, how to inculcate those habits, those changes in your life that will bring that alignment within you. We have some special guidance from Ascended Master. So they are telling you, see the other person's point of view. So the Ascended Master is telling you that this card has come to show you a pathway to peace. You don't have to necessarily agree with people, but you just have to understand their motivations and compassions, their feelings. When we try to listen to others and try to understand others, it brings a positive shift of energy within us also. As we see others' point of view, we open doors to create solutions for ourselves, for our lives. It tells us how we can let go of defensiveness, how we can forgive past hurts and start anew, fresh. Your spiritual growth is waiting for you. All you need to do is to open your doors and welcome it. Angels have a message for you too. Helpful people. There are people around us who are always ready to help us. We only need to approach them, seek their help, their guidance, and it can be you, the other side, who is ready to help people who are in need of it. A give and take is helps in energy exchange and growth of an individual itself. So I wish you a beautiful journey ahead. Thank you. Welcome group 3. So who have chosen this magnet with pineapple picture, this reading is for you. Let us begin with what your mind is craving for, what your mind is thinking right now, what is it focusing on. Your mind currently is focusing on creating abundance in life. It wants to have all the luxury, all the materialistic, all the worldly pleasures. It wants that, it visualizes that you are enjoying that pleasure of life, that enjoying your finances, you're enjoying that abundance. Your mind is only focusing on creating that abundance in life. It is also seeking answers and guidance that whether it's on the right path or not. But here there's also something that your mind is reminding you, that you need to choose a middle path, a path where you're able to create a balance. You're able to understand what are your needs and what are your wants. A thin line that divides needs and wants. It wants you to recognize that. It wants you to understand that are you creating your abundance and just losing it unnecessarily, or are you creating an abundance for yourself and using it wisely? And it's also telling you, ask yourself, what is your real wealth? What is your actual wealth? Is it only this finance, or is there something more to life? That is your real wealth, your relationships, your family, your friends, your health. What is your real wealth? Your mind is asking you to question yourself, to understand and value that what you are creating needs to be saved, needs to be taken care of, and not to be lost unnecessarily. Let's move on to what is the need of your body. Your body needs perfection. I feel that some of you are either recovering from an ailment, a long disease or a long ailment, and now you want your body to take that proper shape, or some unexpected event has happened in your life where you've taken it as a challenge to have a perfect body, a body which everybody is appreciating, where everybody admires it and nobody points a finger on it. You're working very hard on it to have such a body, and your body wants that change. It is asking you to achieve that perfection. You have all the ability to bring your focus into reality, to whatever you're planning, whatever steps you want to take to bring that shape. You will be able to achieve it. You can manifest it. But your body is also reminding you that it is okay to be little imperfect. Nobody is perfect. Try to accept your imperfections with perfections. So please appreciate and respect your body and accept whatever it is. It is a great thing to keep your body healthy, and I can see that you are doing a hard work towards it. So let's see what your spirit has to tell you. Your spirit has this message of dream talk. Spirits often like to communicate to us through our dreams. It would be nice if you can maintain a dream journal for yourself, where you can write your dreams, where you can connect your dreams every day. and see if there is any special message that spirits want to convey to you. Our spirit world chooses, they want to connect to us through different ways, but dream is something where they can communicate. You can see episodes happening, you can see some action happening, you can see people. So those are the medium where spirit world has some message for you, and if you maintain a dream journal, it will help you to connect those messages and use them as guidance in your life. Ascendant Masters also have a special message for you, and the message is of twin flame. Twin flame connections are much more stronger than soulmate connections. And if this card has come, then it says that you will soon be with your twin flame. Keep your heart open. Stay positive. Follow your guidance to manifest your prayers about your love life. Learn personal growth lessons and have patience with divine timings. Whatever has happened in your life, don't let that affect you now. Listen to your dreams, understand your dream messages, and keep your heart open, because when this twin flame connection happens, it takes our lives to another level. So let's see angel messages. Your angels are saying, ask your angels. They too want to connect to you. We as human beings have a spirit team with us who are always there to assist us, guide us. And angels want you to connect to them so that they can answer your questions. They can give you the guidance that you are seeking for. Connect to your angels and ask them and get a clarity in your life. Thank you, group number 3. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe Vatsalyam and hit the bell icon. Thank you.